here helping with the Career Fair and Community Expo. We're here trying to find people jobs as well as show off the services we provide to our community.
We're getting married at Chase Field. Woo! This was a great opportunity for us as employees to meet other employees from county departments. We work so much within our own team, so it's nice to be able to get out there, hear from them, and learn about what they're doing, and figure out how we could all work together.